She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll come around the mountain when she comes. Yeah. Hey, it's me, Rosanna from Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. February? Yeah, February is almost over. Hooray! Today is, today is the 21st, 2019. I am going to work on Yael. I'm starting out with his blue veining. And this is where I begin. Now, what do I always say? Don't leave it like that. Make sure you blend it in. Blend them in. Give them some blue veining. I will add veining also later on after I have some of the layers on the baby. This is just to give him a little blue coloring. Tiny little veins. I always use my sponges. I'm gonna give him some little bit of blue between the eyes, above the nose. See that? Don't leave it like that. Take your sponge. You could use a sea sponge. You could use cosmetic wedges. I use both. And so I'm just adding in some of his veins. Later I'll make the little detail veins with the little tiny capillaries and everything. So yep, this is Yael. He is cute. He's by Gun Run Legler. Gun Run. Probably not pronouncing it correctly. Don't leave it like that. So now he's getting some blue undertones. Then next, after I do the blue coloring, I will do the skin tone. Then continue with different layers to give him his lifelike look. Right, Chubsy? Chubsy's in the background, as usual, making noise. That's Chubsy slurping and making noise. Say hi, Chubsy. Can you talk? Anyway, this is my latest reborn baby. See his little pouty face? He's a cutie. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message here. I have a website, Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. Just spell it all out, and that's how you would put it in .com. Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery.com. Go check it out. I also have babies on Etsy and eBay. I have silicone babies available. This one's nice and soft. See that? This is a vinyl. There's no such thing as silicone-like vinyl. No such thing. Vinyl and silicone do not mix. Now, never leave the color like that. Can you see that? I hope so. Then blend it in. Blend it in. Hurry up. Don't let it stay there long because the blue will stay permanently there. Now you can't really see it, but later on I'll come back and I will show you what he looks like finished. I will do a little video of him finished. Is he available? PM me. We can discuss it. My babies are about $6.75 and up. I do have a few lower priced, not many. Silicones start at around $3,500. $3,500. Okay. I'm going to continue working on him, giving him his blue undertone. And I will say, oh, hello. Sayonara.